Eyesight is how we perceive the world, yet we often neglect its importance until it begins to decline. What if you could improve your vision through your diet?
From the ocean's depths to the Earth's vibrant hues, nature provides us with a wealth of resources to protect our sight. Let's explore the foods that enhance our eye health, because clear vision is essential. Eye deterioration is not just a sign of aging, it is a multifaceted process influenced by genetics and lifestyle choices. Conditions such as macular degeneration, cataracts, and glaucoma are not mere inconveniences, they significantly impact our quality of life, potentially reducing the vividness of the world to a blur. As we age, our eyes naturally become more prone to these conditions. The lens hardens, the retina deteriorates, and the drainage channels within our eyes can become clogged, leading to increased internal pressure. However, it is not just time we are battling. Oxidative stress also plays a detrimental role in eye health. Free radicals, unstable molecules from both external environmental factors and internal processes, attack healthy eye cells, accelerating the deterioration process. Antioxidants are the body's defense against this oxidative assault. Nutrients like vitamins C and E, lutein and zeaxanthin act as protectors, neutralizing free radicals and shielding the eyes from damage. But nutrition is just one part of the solution. Our modern lifestyle, with hours spent in front of screens, exposes our eyes to blue light, contributing to retinal stress and potential damage. Coupled with a diet lacking in essential nutrients and the often overlooked importance of wearing protective eyewear, the standard modern lifestyle is not kind to our eyes. Recognizing the nutrients that specifically support eye health is crucial. Omega-3 fatty acids, for example, support the structural integrity of the retina, while zinc plays a critical role in transporting vitamin A from the liver to the retina, aiding in melanin production, a protector against UV light. Adopting a diet rich in these antioxidants and protective nutrients can do more than just maintain vision. It can significantly reduce the risk of age-related deterioration. It's about making informed choices, selecting foods that are beneficial for eye health, and understanding that what we eat directly impacts our ability to see the world clearly. This is not merely educational, it's a call to action. By integrating foods high in these key nutrients into our daily diet, we not only combat the natural decline of eye health due to aging, but also strengthen our defenses against the environmental and lifestyle factors that worsen deterioration. Leafy greens are like nature's shields for your eyes, packed with the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin. These powerhouses are specific protectors against macular degeneration and cataracts, conditions that threaten our vision as we age. Spinach, kale, and collard greens stand out in this green army, offering a versatile and delicious way to strengthen your eyesight. To maximize their benefits, eating them raw in salads or giving them a light steam is ideal. This method keeps the nutrients intact and ready to work their magic on preserving your vision. It's a simple, effective strategy to keep your eyes in top form, proving that sometimes the best defense is a good leaf. Diving into the depths of the sea, omega-3 rich fish emerge as champions for eye health. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are not just delicacies, they're reservoirs of essential fatty acids crucial for the well-being of your eyes, particularly the retina. These fatty acids help combat dry eye syndrome and are foundational for visual development and maintenance. Regular consumption of these fish can lead to clearer vision and healthier eyes, making them indispensable in a diet aimed at preserving your sight. Eggs, on the other hand, are a powerhouse of eye-protecting nutrients, including lutein, zeaxanthin, and zincs. These components are vital for the health of your retina and overall vision protection, offering a natural defense against deterioration. The beauty of eggs lies in their flexibility. Boiled, poached, or whipped into omelets, they easily blend into your daily diet. This ease of incorporation, coupled with their nutritional benefits, makes eggs an essential ingredient for anyone looking to shield their eyes from harm and ensure their vision remains sharp. Berries and citrus fruits are not just snacks, they're your eye's best friends. Loaded with vitamin C, an essential nutrient for eye health, oranges, strawberries, and blueberries stand out in this category, offering a sweet way to fight against eye deterioration. Vitamin C isn't just good for the immune system, it plays a pivotal role in reducing the risk of cataract development, acting as a protective shield for your eyes against the clouding of the lens. Integrating these fruits into your diet is a delicious strategy to keep your vision clear and your eyes healthy. Nuts and seeds, meanwhile, are the unsung heroes in the quest for maintaining eye health. Packed with vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, almonds, flax seeds, and chia seeds offer a crunchy way to support your sight. Vitamin E, in particular, is known for its ability to protect the eyes from oxidative damage, a key factor in the aging of our eyes. These nutrient-dense snacks not only fend off the harmful effects of free radicals, but also provide essential fats that bolster cell health, especially in the retina. Carrots are the quintessential eye health food, largely due to their high beta-carotene content. This orange pigment is a powerful antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A, critical for forming rhodopsin, a molecule in the eyes that enables night vision. Beyond night vision, vitamin A from carrots helps maintain a clear cornea and the eye's outer covering and combats dry eyes by supporting healthy tear production. Roasting carrots or blending them into soups not only makes for a tasty dish but also breaks down the cell walls of the vegetable, enhancing beta-carotene's bioavailability. Bell peppers, particularly the brightly colored red and yellow varieties, are rich in vitamins C and E, both of which are vital for eye health. Vitamin C supports the collagen structure of the cornea, while vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that protects the eye cells from damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals. These nutrients work together to maintain the integrity of the blood vessels in the eyes, ensuring that the retina remains nourished and functional. Consuming bell peppers raw in salads or lightly cooking them can preserve their nutritional profile, making them a vibrant addition to any meal aimed at bolstering eye health. Legumes are nutritional powerhouses for eye health, primarily due to their rich content of zinc and bioflavonoids. Zinc plays a vital role in transporting vitamin A from the liver to the retina, aiding in the production of melanin, a protective pigment in the eyes. This mechanism is crucial for preventing macular degeneration and safeguarding against night blindness. Bioflavonoids, on the other hand, offer antioxidant properties that enhance vascular health within the eye, particularly in the delicate capillaries of the retina, thereby reducing the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Including legumes like kidney beans, black-eyed peas, and lentils in your diet introduces these essential nutrients in a delicious and versatile manner, whether as a hearty component of soups and stews or a protein-rich addition to salads. Squash, particularly varieties like butternut, acorn, and spaghetti, are excellent sources of eye-protecting nutrients such as lutein and zeaxanthin. These are crucial for filtering harmful light wavelengths and preventing oxidative damage to the macula. Moreover, squash's high levels of vitamin C and E act synergistically to bolster the eye's defense against oxidative stress, further supporting the structural integrity of the eye. The inclusion of squash in your diet, through baking, steaming, or incorporating into soups, not only provides a tasty and nutritious meal option, but also takes advantage of its seasonal availability to maximize nutrient intake. Dark chocolate, often hailed as a guilty pleasure, actually holds a treasure trove of benefits for eye health, thanks to its rich content of flavonoids. These natural compounds are not mere fillers, they are potent antioxidants that work tirelessly to enhance blood flow to the retina, providing a boost to vision that's both literal and nutritional. The secret lies in selecting dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, ideally above 70%, as this is where the concentration of flavonoids peaks, offering the greatest potential for eye health benefits. However, embracing dark chocolate as part of your eye care regimen comes with a caveat: moderation. Despite its health benefits, dark chocolate is also a source of calories and sugar. Indulging responsibly ensures that you reap the vision-enhancing rewards without tipping the scales in an undesirable direction. Fueling your body with the right nutrients transforms not just your health but how you experience the world. From leafy greens to the rich depths of dark chocolate, each bite is a step towards preserving the window through which we see life, a commitment to keeping our vision as sharp and vibrant as the world around us. Take this journey to heart, embrace these foods, and protect your sight, because seeing well is living well.